This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Engels. Charming home in a great neighborhood nestled on a quiet street. Like new one-level living with open floor plan. Split bedroom design with primary suite and bathroom including dual sinks, soaker tub and shower on one side of the home and 2 large bedrooms and full bath on the other. Huge bonus room above the garage for hobbies, bedroom or whatever you need. Living room features gas fireplace and is open to a beautiful maple cabinet kitchen with granite counters, tile backsplash and stainless appliances. Enjoy the extra features that include air conditioning and a fully fenced backyard landscaped with a sprinkler system. Nice covered back patio for BBQing and relaxing any day of the week. For more information, review the details below.